What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of a beautiful woman is sleeping on the bed, let's say, and also in the bright ray from the sun. And after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed or can be turned into the spooky, and also you will see the spirit of you floating on top of you while you are sleeping. Is that cool and creepy at the same time, right? How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I used before to create this picture was the Nano banana, and I'm accessing it with the Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to access it from the Google Gemini AI, then it is pretty okay. And of course, don't forget to do the login first with your email. And this is the homepage of the Google AI Studio. And the next step is I would like to click this Try Nano Banana, and after that I will start to select a picture from my gallery, for example this one, and after that I will put this prompt into this section. And you can start to screenshot this prompt, but also don't worry guys, because I will always put this prompt into the description box, and you can let us know that this prompt also worked for you guys. And basically the prompt will be like this: a subject sleeping peacefully in a bed, same pose and angle as the reference photo, keep the original face and hairstyle like this. And after that, the room has a gloomy, haunted atmosphere with a dim bluish lighting. This is the bluish lighting, and also soft shadows and subtle Halloween decoration. This is the candle and also the jack-o' or the pumpkin that usually the main decoration of the Halloween. And after that you can add the detail. For example, above the sleeping subject, depict a faint ghostly spirit version of the same subject lying in the same sleeping position and also directly above the body. You can actually modify the position of this spirit, guys, whether that standing on the side of this bed or just flying and also floating on top of this subject. And also you can add the detail for the spirit itself. The spirit's eyes are open, looking aware and calm, realizing that it has left the body. And the ghost appears pale, slightly transparent, and surrounded by the faint bluish glow along the edge of its body. And also the composition keeps the same camera angle and also as the reference image, and also at the cinematic lighting, detailed texture, and also a mysterious yet peaceful mood. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result over here. So basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this picture transformation, guys. However, by using this prompt, you can actually get another version or another picture, guys. And if you feel like not really satisfied about the result, don't worry, because you can simply rerun this prompt like this, and it will show you the another output down here. And kindly wait for the process, maybe 15 seconds, and after that the picture will be shown over here. And you can also rerun again, not only this section but also in this section. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video. And thank you for watching. Bye guys.